kitchen. It's been a long time that I don't do a video, and it seems like not much has changed. How y'all doing? Random guy with the blue shirt. What's up? How's the family? All good? Awesome. Well, today we are going to be doing egg rolls, right? So we're gonna need eggs and I guess technically it was an egg roll. No. All right, so today, let's switch it up. We're gonna be making some deviled eggs. So let's go ahead and start by boiling 4 eggs. We're gonna let them boil for about 15 minutes. And while that is going, let's go ahead and start our mix. We're gonna start with some mayo, and we're gonna eyeball this and a little dab of yellow mustard, some freshly squeezed lemon juice, or in my case, some of this concentrated real lemon juice. Let's add literally a pinch of salt and some fresh ground pepper. And let's mix all these ingredients up. At this point, our eggs should be ready. And let's go ahead and start to peel. Once they're peeled, let's go ahead and cut each one of the eggs halfway. Let's grab our mixture and let's start putting our yolks inside this mixture. Once that is done, let's go ahead and mash these yolks and start mixing them, incorporating them until it's nice and smooth. Now we're going to improvise a piping bag with a Ziploc bag. And if you have piping bag tips, let's go ahead and use those. If not, it works the same anyway. All you want to do is use the bag to pipe the egg yolk mixture inside the actual eggs. Now, let's go ahead and put the egg yolk mixture inside the bag. If we need a little bit of assistance, we could always grab a cup. Just like this. Now, it's very important that our mixture is not clumpy, because if not, it's not going to go through the little tip. Now, let's close the bag up and make sure there's no air pockets in the mixture. And now we can start filling in our eggs. And for the finishing touch, we're gonna add a little bit of paprika, and I think, not for nothing, it looks pretty egg-extraordinary. So there we got it, guys. Pretty simple, right? I think it's pretty simple. Now let's give it a taste. Oh yeah, good stuff. Creamy, a little bit of tang with that lemon juice. And the mayo obviously has a little bit of tang too. Great treat for, family reunions and whatnot. All right, so remember, keep cooking, keep eating, keep it healthy.